safari driver today. Before we head out, feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Up on the right is a greater kudu. So only the male greater kudus have horns, therefore that one is a female. They have those stripes on their backs which help them to blend in with the sun rays that shine through the trees. On the left is a black rhino. So black rhinos have triangular shaped mouths. This helps them to get their food, so they are browsers, which means they typically eat from shrubs and plants. Now, black rhinos are mostly solitary, so you will typically find them by themselves. On the left is another black rhino. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on, let's go. Passion for it. Heading into the Safi River, which is home to many aquatic and similar products. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. The right-hand side, those birds are pink-backed pelicans. They get their name from the pink coloration on their back, which gets brighter during mating season. Their wingspan can get up to 9 feet wide, which is as wide as the canopy above our head. Inside there is also a hippo. Hippos can weigh up to 5,000 pounds. There will be another one with their head out. This name because although they can swim, they prefer running alongside the bottom. On the left-hand side are some Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles have little bony plates on their backs under their scales. These bony plates are called osteoderms. Those osteoderms act as an armor, helping to protect them, as well as help them to maintain their body temperature. One right here, Nile crocodiles can get up to 20 feet long, which is as long as a giraffe is tall. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night, fuse to unite. On the right-hand side, up in the grass, those are springboks. Springboks get their name from their ability to spring 6 to 8 feet straight up in the air and then 13 feet across. They are one of the top 10 fastest land animals, reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour. On the left-hand side are some greater flamingos. When flamingos hatch, they are a whitish-gray color. As they get older, typically around the age of 2 when they get that pink coloration. This is due to their diet. So their diets consist of brine shrimp. Brine shrimp has beta carotene in it, and that beta carotene gives them the pink coloration. Fear can't divide us. Come on, let's go. Passion for adventure. Living without a rhyme. The white rhinos are the most social of the 5 rhino species, which is why oftentimes you will see them in small groups. Now in the middle there, that is a mudwalla. Animals like the rhino. Lions spend about 16 to 20 hours sleeping. They do this so that they can rest up to hunt at night. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. coming out on the reserve today. We saw a lot of
feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night fuse to ignite. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Roads never travel, mystery in each turn. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time.
That mask is gone! That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night fuse to ignite.
Hey you guys, but I didn't buy too much today. We did get him, we did win 2 things at Dinorama. I'll try to put pictures on the screen of what we won, but we won a Moana and then we won the Triceratops, so that's fun. I also went on Dinosaur, hopefully for not the last time. My son really wanted a drum. So these are like $19.99 and he loves it. He loves to put his hand in here and then he loves to play. So, and it's really cute. These are carved and I got the giraffe for him. I did find my husband a golf shirt from Nike. So I just got him the black one with the Mickey. And these retailed for $70. I'm hoping to find him something else at the Grand Floridian for breakfast tomorrow, because tomorrow's our last day. Today was our last park day, but tomorrow is like our last day completely because we're leaving at 3 a.m. on Sunday. I also did invest. These are $24.99. This is a pin holder and I liked the white one with the castle and the Disney D, the Walt D. And you can easily you know, carry it over time. I didn't get a strap yet or anything. Everything is sold separately, but I did like this because I can just slide it through a purse or a diaper bag. So I got this. I also got these for my son. I don't know if I'll save these for Christmas. I don't know if they'll be good. But yeah, they'll be good by Christmas. So I might save this for his stocking. And then I did get 2 pen packs. I had to have self-control. I got my second box of this one. If you watched the other day, I got the Muppets character, I forgot his name, and Dave, is it Dave from Fantasia? So I got the top and the bottom one. I'm really hoping for a new one, and I'm really hoping for a new one. I really would like Mickey, so that's the one that I'm going for. I also got the Lion King set because Animal Kingdom, you have to get the Lion King. So let's go ahead and open this one first. This is the I Just Can't Wait to Be King set. So it's scenes from the song. I would honestly be grateful for any of these. So those, hopefully they're focusing. These are the options. And let's see what we get. And these retail for $22.99. Oh, I like the paper. I mean the packaging more. It actually has a tear tab. So let's see who we get first. Oh, that's funny. We get Simba. We got Simba and Zazu, which ended up getting a Zazu drink today. So it's like a Dole Whip kind of style. So I'll put that on the screen as well. So this is super cute. And then the second one, I will show you guys first. Do my best and show you guys first. So can you guys see it? Oh, all the birds. This is perfect because my son really liked the birds today. So we might get another one of these tomorrow or on our next trip. So hopefully that is focusing. And then let's go ahead and open up the music notes. Like I said, these are the options. I just don't want any duplicates, even though I will be pin trading tomorrow in Disney Springs. So let's see. Okay, we can't really feel them because they're music notes. So let's go ahead and tear it. I will show you guys first. I like to watch videos where people show the camera first. So here we go. Oh, the genie. Oh, this one's super cool. It's huge because he has like the accordion. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is so cool. Wow. And genie is not a common pin, so I'm happy with this one. It's not a duplicate. And let's hope for Mickey with this one. And I will show you guys this one first as well. Did we get Mickey? We got Stitch. That's perfect. And Stitch has his ukulele. I'm okay with this because we did meet Stitch on this trip, and it was my son's first time meeting Stitch, and I love Elvis, so this is perfect. So I got 2 blue characters in the music notes pack. So I'm happy, no duplicates. Should I continue the music notes? I might. Because I love music. That's something I love to do, and I only need, oh wow, this is a big, let me see. I think we're halfway done. We're halfway done, so I don't know. We'll think about it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, actually, if you wanna stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Walmart. I just went to the Walmart by our condo, which is the busiest Walmart, I think, because it's the closest to the park. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Oh, wait. I did get my son made into a caricature. So I think to get it in color, it's like 35 and the frame is 20. So this was 55. But if you wanted to just have your kid's face done without the frame, it's only 25, but with the frame it would have been 45. So for those who want to do it, do it. You can't really see my son's face, but you know, I don't put him online. But yes, he is stinking adorable and he is blonde like me. And then now let me go ahead and show you what we got from Walmart. I did pick this up for my brother who is watching the dogs. So I think I'm gonna hand him this one when we get there, and then I will save something for Christmas. I should be careful what I put on YouTube because he does watch my videos for what I'm gonna get him for Christmas tomorrow. So those will probably not be shown. And then I had to get my son some diapers because we are actually low and we leave in a couple days, so I don't want to run out of these. And these are $10 because I did not want to pay for the ones at Disney, but these are the Simba ones, so we use these at the house. And then I got me some snacks because I'm a snacker and we only have a couple days, so I can maybe eat these on the road or even just tonight. So these looked very good. And then these looked very good. And then this is what I'm about to open after filming this video because my son's asleep. So I'm gonna get some me time and start packing what is clean for Sunday morning. But I got the mocha coffee. So it's from Dunkin', it's just one of the quick ones. These are not healthy by no means, but I need a coffee this afternoon. And I also picked up a cold brew for Sunday morning because we are leaving at 3 a.m. and I don't feel like brewing a whole pot of coffee. So I grabbed a cold brew to enjoy on the road. So that is all. So thank you so much for watching my Animal Kingdom day. It's been a lot of fun. We took so many fun pictures. I can pop some on the screen. I'll just cover my son's face. And I hope to see you guys real soon.